Tuning with your own hands. Transforming your car. Tuning is a great way to add personality to your car, improve its performance, or simply refresh its appearance. It is not necessary to go to professional ateliers for this purpose. Many works can be done with your own hands. Headlight replacement. This is one of the easiest and most affordable tuning options. New headlights can improve the illumination of the road, change the appearance of the car, and make it more modern. Tools and materials. A set of wrenches, screwdriver, pliers, new headlights, wires, duct tape, tips. Before purchasing new headlights, check for compatibility with your vehicle. Read the manufacturer's instructions carefully. Be sure to disconnect the battery when working on the electrical system. Be careful when removing old headlights. Pros: improved illumination of the road, change in appearance, affordability. Minuses: need to have some skills with tools, risk of damaging headlights if installed incorrectly. Spoiler installation. A spoiler not only gives the car a sportier look, but can also improve its aerodynamic performance. Tools and materials. Spoiler glue, drill, self-tapping screws, roulette level tips. Clean and degrease the body surface before installing the spoiler. Carefully measure the installation location. Use quality adhesive and self-tapping screws. Pros: improved aerodynamics, change in appearance, sporty style. Cons: need to drill holes in the body, risk of damaging the bodywork if installed incorrectly. Disc painting. Painting your rims is an easy way to change the look of your car and make it more attractive. Tools and materials. Rim paint, primer, solvent, adhesive, tape, brushes or paint gun tips. Clean dirt and rust off the rims thoroughly before painting. Use a quality paint and primer. Apply several coats of paint to achieve the desired effect. Pros: a change in appearance, affordability, opportunity to make rims unique. Minuses: need to have some skills with tools, risk of damaging the discs if painted incorrectly. Important: when carrying out any tuning with your own hands, it is important to follow the rules of safety and operation. Use only quality tools and materials, follow the manufacturer's instructions, and do not rush. Remember that tuning is a creative process that allows you to express your individuality. Don't be afraid to experiment, but do everything carefully and wisely. Nuances. When replacing headlights, there may be problems with wiring connections. When installing a spoiler, it is important to correctly calculate its location so that it does not affect visibility. When painting the rims, it is important to use a paint designed for heavy-duty use. Interesting facts. Car tuning originated in the United States in the 1950s. The most popular type of tuning is the replacement of wheel rims. Some tuning studios can completely change the design of a car. Pros of tuning: improving the performance of the car, changes in appearance, increased safety. Increased driving pleasure. Minuses of tuning: risk of damaging the vehicle, reduced warranty, increased costs. Important: maintain safety. Do not do anything that could cause damage to the vehicle or its systems. Do not jeopardize the safety of the driver and passengers. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions. Use only certified parts and accessories. Do not overload the vehicle. Check the technical condition of the vehicle regularly. Comply with the law. Make sure that all modifications to your vehicle comply with legal requirements. Do not do anything that could void your warranty. If in doubt, seek professional advice. Use quality materials. Don't skimp on tools and materials, only use those that meet your car's specifications. Remember that cheap materials can lead to breakdowns and other problems. Plan. Before you begin tuning, carefully consider a plan of action. Determine your budget and tuning goals. Make a list of tools and materials needed. Study the manufacturer's instructions. Take your time. Tuning is a marathon, not a sprint. Do everything carefully and wisely. Don't be afraid to ask questions of experienced people. Learn. There are many online resources and forums dedicated to tuning. Don't be afraid to try new things and experiment. Remember that tuning is a continuous learning process. Conclusion: tuning with your own hands is a great way to make your car more individual, stylish, and attractive.